Hi guys, good day and welcome to today on Princess Anu-TV. Hope you all are doing very fine. So I'm bringing this question, to enlighten you guys on the kind of questions you can see when you go for an airline test interview. I actually saw this question: at what distance does the runway center line light change from red/white to red? This is exactly how I saw the question, and what was on my mind was like, okay, what could be the possible answer? We're going to be knowing now at what point this changes, and we had options like option A, we had 900 meters, and for option B we had 600 meters, option C we had 300 meters. And thinking about it, we have to get a pictorial view of a runway for you to be able to understand this better. Though it's expected that you should have known it, but I think personally I cannot remember seeing this question at all before now. So I was thinking, what could be the possible answer? So I'm just going to show you how you can get this, and for you to also know. So this is pictorial view of a runway now. And now, after getting this, I'm trying to also put a runway number, because runways always have numbers like 01, 18, 36, and thereabout. So maybe we should put 36, or I don't even think we need to put a number, because we are focusing on the center line light, not on the runway numbers. So maybe we should just cancel that and focus on that now. So guys, yeah, so let's use an illustration. Let's assume this whole runway, it's about, what are we going to be using? Let's use 7,000 feet for the whole runway, because the runway is measured. You can use feet, you can use meters, and you can see the options are in meters, but it's always like in feet. Let's use feet for this. So we have 7,000 meters for the whole runway, assuming it's an assumption. And what you should note is that the last 3,000 feet is going to be showing a particular light for every runway. The last 2,000 feet is also going to be showing a particular light, and the last 1,000 feet is going to be showing a particular light. So let's just use this as an example. Now let's cut out the first 4,000 feet. Let's say this is the first 4,000 feet. And now we have the last 3,000, because we're using it as an example. This is the last. I'm trying to draw the last 3,000 feet, and we'll now demarcate it to 3,000 and 1,000 feet. So I try to demarcate the 3,000 feet into 1,000 and 2,000 feet, because there are some things I actually want you to note about this last 3,000 feet and the last 1,000 feet. That's 2,000, sorry, last 2,000 and last 1,000 feet. So you should know that the last 3,000 feet of every runway is going to show a white light. Like from where you land, going to the last 3,000 will always show a white light, while the last 2,000 feet, yeah, so this is last 3,000. Let's just assume this is going to show the white light. Now the last 2,000 feet is going to be showing an alternating red and white. Yeah, and don't forget, the question is asking us, when will that light change from an alternating red and white to only red? Note, last 2,000 feet will show red and white. So now at the last 1,000 feet, that's when you're going to be having only red light. Only red light. Note that, only red light. That is what is going to be showing at the last 1,000 feet of the runway. But now we have in our options, we are not giving 1,000 feet, 2,000 feet, 3,000 feet. So we have to solve this equation to be able to get this, and I just quickly scrambled this so that the video doesn't get too long. 1000 meters is equals to 3.28 feet, and now we are looking for what 1000 feet will be in meters. So if you cross multiply, you're going to be getting, so in this equation, if cross multiply, you're going to be getting 1000 times 1 divided by 3.28, and it's now going to be giving you 304 as option. If you don't cross multiply and you don't do it rightly, you're going to get, in fact, an very off answer. So if you're getting 304, what would be the closest to this in the equation? Don't forget, this is in feet and you need it in meters. These are some things that you really need to consider. So now let's move over to our options. You see, I already ticked it here. We have 900 meters, 600 meters, 300 meters. That is going to be 300 meters as our answer. So always note it that the last 1000 feet is going to show a complete red light. This question can be twisted in any way, and that's one thing about aviation. They can twist the question anyhow, anyway. They're always expecting you to know the answer. It can be in feet, it can be in meters, it can be however they put it. Just know the answer. The last 3000 is going to show a white light. The last 2000 is going to show an alternating red and white, while the last 1000 feet is going to show a red light. So guys, I hope you've learned something from this questions that we had to solve today. Until I meet you guys next time, bye. Love you all.